Hey guys, today I'm changing out the cable on my mini sewer machine. I went ahead and already pulled out the cable, so just gonna show you the process of how you take off the old one and put in the new one. So check it out. The screw right here that attaches to the old cable, we're just gonna do that, and then we'll completely separate the old cable from the sewer machine. Just need a flathead screwdriver for this particular model. You can't see it right there, it's a General Mini Reader XP. So, good little machine. Alright. Gonna go ahead and cut open the new cable. And just be careful in case it unspools on you. Go ahead and get that male end, and that's what's going to need to go back into this female end on the sewer machine itself. Pretty easy to go back in there. And when you screw it back in, just make sure you get it nice and tight. And I'm going to go ahead and run out the cable nice and straight. That way it's easy to pull back in. Okay. Baby, if you could hold the back of it. That's how easy it is to put in your new cable. So, some things to note. If you do have the Mini Reader XP, make sure you have the self-feed all the way unscrewed so there's no tension on the self-feed mechanism. That way you can easily pull in and out on the mechanism or on the cable itself. And make sure that your arm is in neutral. So. It's a pretty simple process. I changed out the cable because the old one, I did a job and it was just a real nasty clog, and I ended up kinking the cable in a few spots, so I ended up getting a new cable. But if you got any questions, comments, feel free to lay them in the comments. All right, see you next time.